So I'm sitting here in a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave Edition, and we just changed the oil in this Jeep, and so I'm going to reset the oil life button. So I'm going to put it in the run position down here, and go back up here, and we're going to go to oil life, and we're going to push OK button here. And as I do that, it should reset in just a couple of minutes. Really, probably about 40 seconds. There it is. And so we've got a good 100% on our oil change on this Jeep now. Thank you so much. This is Chris Walker at Ore Auto Mall, 479-747-0584.